What up, YouTube? I wanted to kind of talk a little bit about my trading today. Um, I had a pretty good day in the market. I was happy, and not necessarily because I did anything special as far as like I made a ton of money or or anything like that. It was just I was happy that I stuck to my trading plan. You know, I've dealt with, kind of trading these markets for a little while. I haven't been at it for years upon years, but I've been trading a little while, and I've learned some things in the market. And where I was really falling short is just kind of taking advantage of I won't even say taking advantage of. I just wasn't doing a really good job of risk management. I guess I would say taking advantage of some of the things that I've learned as far as how to properly, size into positions and not just taking like, massive trades for no reason. It was really shooting me in the foot and really delaying, my overall progress. And today, I I got like a ton of confidence, honestly, just being able to a ton of confidence by having the actual trade that I guess taking the trade that I wanted and not going back into the market. For a long time, I had a lot of a lot of trouble with just like revenge trading or over trading. I get into a couple winning positions, and rather than letting one or two trades for the day um, be it, I would continue to trade and just kind of dealing with like greed. I talked to my cousin early today, who's also learning about trading, and that's one of the things that I share with him is just like one of the things that really helped me back, in addition to risk management and over risking and not really protecting the downside on a lot of my trades, was just my overall greed, wanting to make money so fast and really get into a situation where yeah, just where I had some overall additional income coming in. And I know that trading can do that, and a lot of people have used trading as a way to create additional income, and that's what it was for me, and that's what it is for me. But more importantly than just making some extra money, I know that I have to kind of stay locked in on creating winning habits, because I keep telling myself every day, almost like a mantra, that if I continue to become a disciplined trader, have a trading plan, stick to my trading plan, having rules, sticking to my rules, I'll be profitable over time. It's a probability game, and I'm not gonna get rich overnight. That's just not the way the markets work. And if you go into it with that kind of mindset, um, it's going to be hell to pay. And so I'm just trying to do better for myself, and, provide, a better lifestyle for my family, and, get a return on all this time and energy and effort that I put into, learning how to trade, learning different patterns, and just staying motivated. I was listening to somebody earlier on YouTube, and part of what they were saying is a big part of the reason why 90% of traders fail is because a lot of them quit before they actually been consistently profitable. You know, and that's something that I definitely want to. Um, they're doing some construction in this neighborhood and replacing a lot of these sidewalks. So I'm walking in the street because you can probably see. I don't know if I flip it around. Well, they're doing a lot of construction, so all the sidewalks are torn up. So I'm just kind of walking. So basically, all I'm saying is, I'm proud of the effort that I'm putting in today, and I'm really excited that I'm sticking to my process, sticking to my habits, and that if you are in a similar situation, stay locked in, and keep chipping away at those goals. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.